So we have Nature Valley soft baked muffin bars, chocolate chip.
What are you doing? You trying to be all pretty?
And we found these at Walmart. Nope, I didn't open it from where you're supposed to. It's 150 calorie, but look at the size. This is made with whole grain. It's 8 grams of whole grain. Isn't that what the little bars have with 8 grams? I think it is.
9 grams.
Oh, it's got more in those. This looks like it's supposed to have a sugary top.
It is.
Yeah, I see a little bit. A little bit. Oh, one fell off. Oh, it's super soft. Mmm.
I don't like chocolate chips.
What?
No. Blueberry's better.
Tastes like a chocolate chip cookie or a chocolate chip muffin. I like it. It's really soft. What's wrong with the chocolate chips? You don't like them?
It's like a semi-sweet or something.
Is it? I don't know if it is or not. Let's see if it says on here. No, it just says chocolate chip. Oh, yep, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Dang, how'd you get that? So if you want to try these, go check your local Walmart. Thanks for watching. Bye.